Hi everybody, it's time you are on the county. Today, we would like to present to you the New Year's edition. Your new digital employees in your pockets. You are what what kind of theme do you have?
AI in 2026, how
Okay,
the AI works.
hmm, that sounds good. Okay, so let's begin.
Yes, so before we begin, Happy New Year, everyone. And
Hmm,
we are stepping into 2026, a new year, a new beginning. So I
hmm,
hope this year brings good things to all of us in every part of life. Okay, so
hmm,
welcome to Yuva and Timothy's weekly Sunday live session. And in this series. So we would like to talk about the latest. We actually talking about the latest
hmm.
AI topics, so you can stay updated with the latest trends. So also you can join
Okay,
our Discord group actually for free. We share weekly AI topics and updates there. So I'm going to drop the link in the comments. So please feel free to join our group, Discord group. And at the same time, let me share my screen. Okay, great. So here we go. So how many of us actually check our phone before getting out of bed this morning? So I think most of us do, right? Yes, but here is the mind blowing part. The phone you grab this morning. So this one isn't just a communication device anymore. In 2026, it's becoming something different, almost like a digital employee that works for you 24/7. And I'm actually not talking about the Siri or Alexa saying, "What can I help you with?" I mean, AI that can think ahead, remember what you prefer, and get multi-step work done without you micromanaging every step. That's how this AI 2026 is going to be. So today's topic is AI in 2026, your new digital employees in your pocket. So we are going to cover two big things, two big shifts actually happening right now. How the AI actually evolved from a tool, and then from a tool that actually wait for the commands into an autonomous automatic agent, basically a digital employee. And then the second one, how this power is, it is actually moving into onto your phone with stronger privacy and faster performance than before. So this is practical and real world stuff that you can actually use. So let's jump in. What is this AI revolution? So first, let's learn one of the most important terms of 2026, agentic AI. So think about how you used AI 2 years ago. You type, okay, write an email, and then it wrote an email, and then summarize this document, and it summarized it, and then it waited for your next comment. So it's like step by step process. But now agentic AI, it is different. It doesn't just respond, it actually can take action in steps. Okay, let me give you the real example. I have a real example here. So for example, this part. So now you can tell an AI agent, For example, plan a business trip to Singapore or Japan next month, and then keep my flights under this below budget. For example, I have $1,000 budget, so please keep my flights below $1,000, and then book a hotel near the Shin Yokohama or any of the conference venue. And I can request this to prepare a briefing on key local companies I should know. So old AI would ask you 20 follow-up questions. So like, what do I need to do next? The next. And then, but a new agentic AI, this one, AI can start working like this. What it will do actually, it will check your calendar for available dates. And then it can compare the flights across multiple sites. It can matches hotels near the venue, and then it also could researches the relevant local companies for you. And then once it's done, it draft a full plan for your approval. This is AI in 2026. This one actually, it can have persistent memory. It remembers it remembers your preferences. Multi-step reasoning, it breaks goals into steps. And tool integration, so because it can work with calendars, email, documents, and more. So that's why people call them digital employees, and they are not just answering questions, they are helping execute the workflows while you focus on the decisions. So, Kimothan, what do you think about these changes from old to new AI?
Uh, Several years ago,
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT is the best tool for AI. But
Yes,
currently, we can use ChatGPT, Gemini, and the Cloud. So we should use uh, multi, for example, ChatGPT, you should use general purpose. For example,
mm-hmm.
Gemini is a very a high level ability for the multimedia AI, and the Cloud
Yes,
has a very good sentence generator. So we
mm-hmm.
should use AI tools for your purpose, for your
Yes,
special purpose. That is a current a trend. This is my opinion.
yes. And it also can do beyond that actually. So we can use the camera function, the microphone function.
Mm.
It can be like a friend
Mm.
to us. Yes. So now the next one, it's okay. So this one. Now you might be thinking, okay, so this AI sounds powerful, but doesn't it require a long or a huge supercomputer? And am I sending all my private data to servers somewhere? Mm, okay, so this is the second breakthrough. Edge AI, sometimes called the small model revolution. SMR. So for years, the rule was smarter AI equals to bigger computers. But engineers figured out how to make AI smaller and faster, kind of like we can compressing a movie so it fits on your phone. So now the smaller models, it actually can run directly on your device using the techniques like compression and optimization. Well, why does this matters to you? There are three big reasons. So first one is the privacy. So, if your AI analyzes your personal messages or confidential documents, more of that processing can happen on your device. So soon, less data has to leave your phone. And also, a quick note, people often feel like I talk about something and I saw it on social media. So that's usually due to tracking and targeting across apps. So, not because your phone is literally reading every conversation, but it can feel that way, which is why privacy matters more than ever. And then the second one is the reliability. So, for example, if you are traveling, if it is on airplane mode or any, if the offline, if you are offline, and sometimes your AI can still have because it's running on your hardware. And then the third part is the speed. Now, no more waiting for your data to go to a server and then come back. It is actually local processing and can feel much faster. So, have a smart digital employee that actually can live in your pocket and respond quickly, and in many cases, keep more work on device. So, that's the shift we are seeing in this 2026. And now, so I would like to address the big question. So, if everyone has a digital employee, so what happens to my job? Yes, so here is the truth actually. In 2026, we are not only seeing the job replacement, we are seeing the job evolution actually, and understanding that shift matters for our career. So there are actually, I have two examples here. So for software developers, okay, I'm a software developer actually. So in the past, a lot of time we spend typing the code line by line, but now, actually, AI can generate code from natural language. But we still do have our jobs. We are not disappeared. So many, yeah, many are becoming AI system builders, designing systems and reviewing AI output for security and also solving the harder problems. And then the second one is the writers and the content creators. AI actually can draft the post and generate ideas, but it doesn't mean that the writing actually disappeared. Not at all. The writers become content strategists and adding accuracy, emotion, the story, and human voice. So AI actually can help with first drafts, and human we actually bring the direction and the meaning. So and yes, this means we all need to skill up to stay current. So the pattern is AI handles the routine tasks and human we focus on strategy, creativity, the people skills and the judgment. So one of the most valuable skills in 2026 isn't just doing the task. It's actually about the managing the AI that helps do the task for us. For example, think of your AI like a smart intern. So you have to start small and then give clear goals and then let it learn your style over time instead of just asking the simple questions. So I think let's wrap up this part one. So what we have covered today, it is about the agentic AI. AI actually evolving from passive tools into autonomous agents that actually can plan, reason, and execute the workflows. And then the second is edge AI, more AI capability running on device with speed and privacy benefits. And then the third one is the career evolution. So jobs are changing actually. And the key is learning to work with AI and not compete with it. And next week in part two, because it's big topic. So we would like to discuss this in our next part, we'll go deeper with live demos of AI agents in action. And then we also would like to discuss about the truth crisis, the deep fakes, misinformation, and how to verify what's real. And also AI in healthcare, like and education, how it is changing our daily lives, and also the ethics and the regulation, how the world is trying to control or govern AI. Yes, so this is gonna be our next part. And I have a request actually. So please ask your AI to plan a week of healthy meals. So instead of asking just the simple questions, I want you to train your AI starting today. So you can ask that to plan a week of healthy meals and then generate a shopping list from that, and also organize it as a grocery section. So you can see how well it can handle a complete workflow from step 1 to step 3. Okay, so I think that's all from my side today, Kimoto-san. And your feedback about this, Kimoto-san.
Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
I think 2026 we should use a AI paid version, not a
Yes,
free version, because free
that's
version has a poor security.
mm-hmm. The
And
limitations.
the 2026, many people use paid version AI. So if you get win to the against them, you
Mm-hmm.
you should you also use a paid version.
Yes.
Hmm.
So
That
we
is
need to upgrade.
yeah.
So not
Nah,
only the skills, we also have to upgrade the package, the AI
yeah.
package as well, isn't it? Yes, correct.
So you don't pay the annual payment. You should
Mm-hmm.
use a monthly payment because several months ago, performance of the AI is going to change.
Mm-hmm. Yep,
Yeah,
that's a
even if
good point, Kimoto-san. Mhm.
Microsoft use not only ChatGPT but also cloud.
Oh,
This
cloud
means
AI.
this means even if Microsoft don't uh, predict the future of the AI.
Mm-hmm. That's
Mm,
true.
yeah.
And
So
also,
we
you are
have
using
to
Gemini.
spread the antenna, wide antenna.
Yep.
So you should watch the Ivan Kimoti live every week. That's my conclusion.
Yeah. Finally, a good message. Yes.
Mm.
Yes. Why we really need this AI? So, for example, I have something to share. Even my husband, he didn't prepare for his presentation, but for the last minute presentation, he could able to prepare everything using the AI.
Mm.
So it's being so helpful for everyone, not only for the developers. So that's why the AI, it is really being a part of our life
Mm.
nowadays. Yes, so I think that's all from our side today. Yes,
Okay, thank
Kimoto-san,
you.
you're next.
Thank you for today's presentation. Uh, in in 2026, we are going to present to you about the many AI trends and the AI tools, how to use. So please watch every week for our live session.
Yes, so we
Goodbye.
will see you next week. Until then, so thinking like a manager or a digital employee. So thank you for joining us and take care, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.
Goodbye. See you.
See you.